Good morning, everyone. Hope you are well and staying home. So, today we again start our virtual class. So, last day we are already discussed the lesson number 8, exercise number 1 and 2. Today we discuss lesson number 8, exercise 3. So, at first put the date. Today's date is 18th November 2020. Day is Wednesday. Subject is French. And today topic lesson number 8, exercise 3. So everybody open lesson number 8. Everybody open lesson number 8. Page number 48. Page number 48, lesson number 8. Last week we had already discussed exercise 1 and exercise number 2. Today we start exercise number 3. Meteo plural. Here is the singular form. You have to convert in plural form. Okay. So I write in the board. You see the board and write in your copy. Okay. See the board properly. So, exercise 3. Meteo plural, convert in plural form. Meteo plural. That means convert in plural form. O plural. Number 1. Elle habite à France. Elle habite en France. So when you convert in plural, at first the subject L, third person singular number. When you convert in plural form, that is third person plural number E, then convert in plural form EES, third person plural number. Abit, that is the verb. When convert in plural form, abit, HABITENT. First group verb. This is the third person singular, that is the third person plural. Al Abid. No change. And France is the country, no change. Okay. Number 2. Tu aimes le gâteau. Elle habite en France, that means she lives in France. In plural, they live in France. Next one, tu aimes les gâteaux. You like the cakes. Tu aimes le gâteau. Tu is second person singular. When in converting plural, then second person plural, vous. Am second person singular, so convert in plural, AIMEZ. First group verb. Then le article, le. And gato, this is the noun, plural. When and ending EAU, adding X in the plural form, gato. Okay, vous aimez les gâteaux. You like the cake, you like the cakes. Number 3. Je suis dans la maison. I am, suis means am, je suis dans la maison. Je suis dans la maison. The first person singular when first person plural nous. Suis is converting som S-O-M-M-E-S. We are dans is preposition no change dans in dans. La is convert les alias and maison in convert maison M-A-I-S-O-N-S plural. So je suis dans la maison, I am in the house. Nous sommes dans la maison, we are in the house. Write it. Now erase 1 and 2. Number 4. Le garçon parle anglais. The boy speak in English. Le garçon parle anglais. Speak in English. Le is convert to le. The boys. Garçon is convert to garçon. G-A-R. C'est dil O-N-S. Garçon. Parle in plural form, third person plural. And anglais is same. A-N-G-L-A-I-S. Anglais. Which word ending with s, that is the same form in the plural. Which word ending with s, that is the same form in the plural. Le garçon parle anglais. The boys speak in English. Les garçons parlent anglais. The boys speak in English. Number 5. Je regarde un film français. Je regarde un film français. Un film français. I look at a French film. Je is convert to nous. Regarde, look at, convert to regardons. An article, that is convert to they, des. Film, that is convert to F-I-L-M-S, film. And français is same. Français, F-R-A-N, c'est dil A-I-S, français. Nous regardons des films français. I look at a French film. We look at some French film. And last one, l'enfant va à l'école. L'enfant, the child. L'enfant va à l'école. The child goes to school. Le is convert to les, L-E-S, les. Enfant is convert to enfant, E-N-F-A-N-T. FANTS, les enfants. Va is convert to aller to go. Vont, third person plural number. À l'école, à is convert to IUX. The school, école. COLES, école. The child goes to school. The children go to the schools. Okay, write it. So today we just discussed lesson number 8, exercise number 3. Next day we start exercise number 4, exercise number 5. So today we just discuss exercise number 4. Okay. So you have to practice exercise number 4. If you any problem, any doubt, tell me. I have to rectify your problem. Okay. So you have to, whatever we discussed today, you have to practice in your home. If you have any problem, any doubt, just tell me. I have to rectify your problem. But every day practice 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Till then, bye bye.